Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to create and share YouTube clips. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open YouTube. This feature is not available to every channel. As you can see when I open this video, there is no clips options, but I've noticed that the Sidemen channel has this feature. So let's head over there and let's open one of their videos. And as you can see, just below the video, there is a clip button that looks like a pair of scissors. Now to use this, you need to find a part of the video that you want to clip by just going to that part of the video. Once you're there, just tap on the clip button like this, and this tab will pop up saying Create Clip. You can use this clip bar down here to drag and make from a 5-second clip all the way up to a 60-second clip. You can reposition it like this, depending on where you are in the video. Now once you have found the length of your clip, you can watch it back up here, and it will loop. You have your clip, you can share it by creating a title here. I just put example here. And then just tap share. Now here are many options. You can share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, email. I will copy the link. You can share it to other platforms that are listed here as well. Now I'll quickly show you what it looks like when someone clicks on the link, so I'll just paste it into my notes. Now tap on the pasted link, and as you can see, it takes you to your web browser where you can watch the clip. You can also see the person's channel that sent it to you, the title of the clip, and tell you what video it was clipped from. It also gives you the option to share it again, or watch the full video at the bottom of the page. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.